What if I told you there's an animal smaller than a grain of salt that can survive boiling heat, freezing cold, the vacuum of space, and even radiation? Meet the tardigrade, nature's ultimate survivor. These tiny water bears have a secret. When danger strikes, they curl up into a death-defying state called a ton, shutting down almost all biological activity. In this form, they can pause life for decades, then come back like nothing happened. Scientists have found tardigrades alive after being frozen for over 30 years. So could their survival secrets one day help humans withstand extreme environments, or even space travel? The answer might change the future of life itself. If you want more bite-sized biology wonders that blow your mind, follow for the next Science Drop.